Hi guys, hope everybody's doing well. Today I took two trades, live trading again. I ended up taking a small loss and a partial profit, and I ended up break even on the day. And starting from London session, we can clearly see a bit of range by the first 3 to 4 hours. And by the end of London session, price started moving to the upside. And by New York Open, we had this big bull bar on the first 1 minute, and most of the times miss those days because I don't have risk to reward in those type of trades, because even if I saw this bull bar, but we know that from the open most of the times those bars get reabsorbed or get reversed. So on the first 5 minutes, I'd like to stay out of the market. But after seeing this big bull bar, price started moving to the upside in a small channel, but as I said before, I most likely miss those days because I don't have risk to rewards on the trades. I prefer to wait for a strong move, a pullback, and then I would like to align with the trend. But after seeing this strong move up, I marked up a previous area of interest, which was up here and was the previous POC of the last week's price action. So I waited price to come here, made some sort of pullback, and here I took my first entry. The reason why I took this first entry was because of this micro double bottom. So for that reason, I thought this was the first pullback of this big move. I thought that from here price could move higher. Put a very tight stop loss because if I see those lows breached, most likely I'm going to get a stop loss. In fact, that's what happened. I ended up getting stopped out, and here I marked up a zone. Could have been a potential area of interest for a continuation long. In fact, as we can see, price reached this area, not once, but twice. I could have entered on a limit order here because we can clearly see that buyers are trying to get in the market. Obviously, we don't have order flow, we are just assuming. But from here could have been a good limit order with a very tight stop, but I waited for a signal bar, which I got here. I took my long position here, stop loss under this bull bar, and my target was a continuation, so the previous high. Price went my way, I put stop loss to break even, and up here I took a first partial. The reason was because this area of interest when price reacted could lead to more downside momentum, so could lead to a deeper pullback, and for that reason I took two contracts off here. I entered this trade with 5 micros. I took 2 micros off up here, and then the other 3 micros were to break even. As we can see on the 5 minute, I took my partial up here, and in fact price entered inside this area, let's say, of resistance, and from there we had a strong bear bar, but the odds of going lower were low because you could expect some sort of trading range scenario after a big move up. After that break even, I called it a day, but we can clearly see that price then entered inside this area that was the previous breakout area, and from there started again the move up that ended up taking again the previous high. So that's it for the video. I recommend you to join my live stream so we can trade together, we can share ideas. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.